Ever notice one of your parking lights isn't turning on? Let's get it sorted, quick. First, let's double check. Turn on your headlights and walk around your truck. See which parking light is out. If it's just one, it's likely a burned out bulb. Pop the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. Gently twist out the bulb socket. Pull out the old bulb and check if the filament looks broken or burned. If it's bad, grab a matching new bulb, usually 194 or 168 size for a Chevy Colorado. Push in the new bulb, twist the socket back in, and you're set. Still not working? Check the fuse box under the hood. Look for the parking light fuse. Your owner's manual will help you spot it. If the fuse looks blown, replace it with one of the same rating. If your light's still out, it might be a wiring issue. At this point, it's best to let a mechanic take a look, and that's it. Fixing your Chevy Colorado's parking light can be simple and quick. Always use the right replacement parts and remember, safety first. Thanks for watching, and good luck.